What is up, crypto world? My name is Yosef, aka Crypto Yosef, and today we're going to be talking about Icon and the new wallet that's been announced, and also Icon moving from a token to becoming a coin, and how you guys can turn your current tokens into coins right now. But before we get into all of that, it would be awesome if you guys could consider subscribing to the channel, turning on post notifications if you guys do end up subscribing to the channel. And also following me on Twitter. I'm trying to build a community here in the cryptocurrency world, and it would be awesome if you guys could follow me on Twitter and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you guys don't miss my videos, because you know YouTube is sometimes really weird. So let's get into this video. So Icon posted this Medium post today, and it was hello Icon. Oh, that's just the name of their stuff. It's just like hello Icon. I don't know why they do that, but they have that for the Reddit page too. Okay, they're launching ICONex, and what ICONex is actually their wallet, and a lot of people actually have a lot of confusion with using this wallet right now, but they're going to be doing an airdrop with the announcement of this wallet. But a lot of people were like, okay, Icon is becoming a coin. Well, right now Icon is actually not a coin yet. Right now it's still a token, and it's going to be becoming a coin here really soon. And if you guys don't know what Icon is, it's pretty much like they want to make everything used through Icon's like network and their loop technology there, and their AI technology, and it's really interesting. It's a really nice product, and I think it's going to be successful, and it literally works with any blockchain technology. It all like intertwines, and it's really nice. It's a really good concept. You guys can look more into that on their white papers, and a really nice project. But we're going to be talking about this part. I'll actually leave a link I did for crypto coin news on Icon in the description, so if you guys really want to know what Icon is more about, then you guys can click that video. But for those who have a decent understanding or just want to know more about how this Icon wallet's going to work here, which is ICONex, it's a Google Chrome extension. So first you're going to have the Google Chrome browser extension, and then soon they'll have the iOS app and the Android app. But right now it's only a Google Chrome extension, and this is like a wallet just like my Ether wallet, guys. So right now this wallet is pretty much my Ether wallet just with Icon, because right now Icon is still an Ethereum ERC20 token, and soon when the mainnet is fully launched, it'll become an ICX coin, which is ICX token. So if you guys see right now, ICX tokens currently under circulation are ERC20 tokens. If you wish to transfer them into the ICON EX wallet, you must transfer them to the Ethereum wallet and not the ICX mainnet. And a lot of people are getting confused here, because people are like, okay, we got an Icon wallet, let's move our stuff over there, and they think they need the Icon one. So when you guys they use the Icon token instead of the Ethereum, because it offers two options here. So I want to break this down for you guys. First off, Icon announced their wallet, and how you guys can get it is if you guys go on the Medium page or on the link in the description, I'll have it linked here. It'll take you straight to this Google Chrome extension, and it's also on their website. Just anywhere here you click download wallet, and it'll take you to this same exact Google Chrome extension. You add it to Chrome, and then it's there, and you pop it open, you create wallet, and you don't want to click Icon, guys. Right now you don't want to click Icon ICX, because right now Icon is not a ICX token. It's an Ethereum token, so it's Icon is not a coin yet, so that's why it's a token of Ethereum right now. And then you just put in you can name your wallet, put the password, stuff like that. And of course you want to download your backups, and it's pretty much like my Ether wallet except made by Icon. And of course they'll be doing an airdrop, and you can turn your Ethereum. So okay, another question a lot of people have is, okay, what if I don't do this? What if I don't move my Icon to this wallet to convert it to the Icon coin? What happens to my Icon? Well, if you hold it on an exchange, then it will automatically turn into the Icon coin once it is a coin and not a token. So like if you hold it on Binance, they will automatically swap it for you. But if you guys want to do it yourself, you guys can do it now on this wallet. And hopefully that gives you guys some more information here on how you can do this. There's a deposit address. It's like any other wallet you can use for cryptocurrency. This one's just made by Icon, and it's going to be the thing they're going to be using here for the Icon network, and it's going to be a really big step. So also just want to point out, if you guys want to get in on Icon right now, this is a really good opportunity. You might see it drop down a little bit lower than this, but in the long run, $3, $4 is really cheap for Icon, especially when you look back on this in the future. Icon's going to be huge. Right now, Icon only has $1 billion market cap, guys. This is really small for what Icon is going to be worth here in the future, especially once they become their own coin, and that's going to be really big for Icon. And you're probably going to see a lot of price run up from the announcement of that when it actually does happen here in the near future, because of course the mainnet launch had some good attention, and then now we're just seeing the Bitcoin effect of, Bitcoin just bouncing around. The Bitcoin, of course, everything is affected by Bitcoin, so yeah, I would definitely get in on Icon right now if you guys want to. Hopefully you guys did learn something, and hopefully it cleared up how to use the Icon wallet and how it works. And Icon is not a ICX token yet. It's still an ERC20 token, so use the ERC sorry guys, I'm a little bit sick. Kind of just choked right there, but use the ERC20 token, not the ICX wallet option there, like I told you guys earlier. Just because some people are like, whoa, it doesn't work. Well, it's because it's still an Ethereum token, not a ICX token. So yeah, hopefully that cleared up some stuff, and hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys did, please do consider subscribing to the channel and also following me on Twitter. And I try to post as much cryptocurrency news content as I can here on the channel when I have time. So hopefully you guys did enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time. Try it on, guys.